Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find downloaded files in Arc. By default, if you download something by using the Arc browser, you can find everything in the downloads folder. That is the default location of the files. Now, of course, you can change the location where you want to save those files by default. But if you didn't do that yet, and if you already have downloaded something, then this arrow will appear next to the sidebar button. So you will have this arrow pointing downwards, which is for downloads. You can click on it, and then you will see every file that you have recently downloaded by using the Arc browser. You can click on these three arrows in order to find more options. You can open the file, you can copy the file, you can show in a file explorer, so you will open it on Windows. And you can also remove from the list of downloaded files by pressing hide from Arc, or you can just remove the file by moving to recycle bin. In order to change the default location, you can simply go to this Arc icon over here in the top left corner, go to settings, then choose your profile. It might say default in your case. And then over here you have save downloads to, and this is the downloads folder that I was talking about. So by default it should be in your C disk on Windows, and pretty much every browser uses the same folder by default, but you can click over here and switch to other in order to choose a different folder. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!